1324. I opened the paragraph with a sentence number one, introduce the technological change, and I asked the question what drives it, and then then I went to the option number second. Like in many popular narratives, like describing the what is driving the scientist and the popular narrative, like popular invention and all.
Okay. So you started with 1, then you did 3, and then what did you do?
Like 1324.
Okay. Did you realize that 4 is not the purpose? 4 is telling you that it is not 2. The reason why 4 exists is to counter which statement? Hello.
Or the second one?
In reality means it is a counter of 2. Please understand that you don't have that. This is why I tell you, all of you, to get the meaning correct. Don't be in a hurry to fix the order. Get the meaning correct. भैया ये कहना क्या चाहता है? कहना ये चाहता है कि ये टेक्नोलॉजिकल चेंज का ड्राइवर क्या है?
Ma'am,
immediately,
Hanji. Can you decipher 3124 approach as well, sir? If 3124 was to be a paragraph, so what is specifically wrong with that answer, sir?
Correct. See, what drives technological change? I will tell you, the answer is technological change is an evolution. So 3 and 1 are absolutely true as standalone entities. What do I mean by standalone? मतलब मान लो कि 2 and 4 नहीं होता. Did you get the point? तो सीधा 3 and 4 make a pair. Got it? लेकिन भैया ये in this there is a jumbled, which means बीच में कुछ आ गया. Which means बीच में before I reach 4, when I put 3 as a poser, the answer to that is 1, but the process of arrival is 2 and 4. I hope you understood. So logically you are not wrong when I say 3 के बाद 1 होता है, question and answer. लेकिन always remember parajumble में जरूरी नहीं है कि every question के immediate every question would immediately be followed with an answer. Remember that? In this,
okay, sir.
There is an interim. I think all of you will make a note of it. हर question का next order answer नहीं होना है, जरूरी नहीं है, मतलब होना नहीं मतलब जरूरी नहीं. I think you have understood that. I think, did you realize why you are wrong? 3124 क्यों गलत है?
Yes, sir.
Purpose is important, guys. Purpose. मेरे को purpose चाहिए. The purpose is the answer 1. That purpose will be at the end. Remember that. उसके पहले ये बाकी का sort out करो. In reality मतलब उसके पहले का polar opposite है. 2 and 4 का pair बनता है. 3 introduces the question. 1 is the answer to that question. And 2 and 4 says it can't be hero. It's not a heroic act. Instead, it is a process of. Instead, technological change is a process of क्या? Trial and error and a lot of innovations. आपको लगता है कि ये SpaceX का प्रोग्राम रातों रात बना था? एलन मस्क के दिमाग में रात को आया, सुबह बन गया? Tell me, was it a heroic? ऐसा कुछ था क्या? Heroic act था कि चल सुबह में चलते हैं, मार्स में घूम के आते हैं. ऐसा हुआ क्या कि काफी इसके साइंटिस्ट इन्वॉल्व थे? काफी ट्रायल एंड एरर वाली हुई ना. I hope you realize. Tell me yes sir or no sir. What will you tell me? Is it clear to everybody? Is this clear to everybody? Anji, number 2. ये करो. ये आंसर ऑप्शन है. Go through it. जिनके गलत हो गए, बिफोर यू आस्क मी, सोचो कि गलत क्यों हो गए. इफ यू आर एबल टू फिगर आउट ऑन योर ओन, सबसे अच्छी बात है, राइट? सो टेक 2 minutes टू एनालाइज. इफ यू हैव गॉट इट रॉन्ग, एनालाइज why you got it wrong, and if you still not able to get it, then you ask me. तो do an self analysis. अगर गलती हुई है तो सेल्फ एनालिसिस करके देखो कि गलती कहाँ हुई है. That is a big learning, na? If you still are, after analyzing, you're still not able to figure out where you made a mistake, then kindly ask me. Take a couple of minutes to analyze what is wrong. Any doubts? Any doubts? Did you realize the thought changes? Did you realize the thought changes? Guys, did you realize which sentences have the thought changes? The tone changes? Which sentences have it? Which words will in those sentences are the clues? Students?
फ्लक्चुएट भी होता रहता है.
हाँ जी. Sorry. However is there, but is there. But that is a pronoun, demonstrative pronoun. But is a conjunction. Saqib, your but spelling is wrong. You're talking about the other but. Saqib, it is not the other but, it's this. It's this but, the conjunction but. I think you have written some other but. I hope you understood, students. The Indian government. Is this clear? Varun, have you understood? Is there any faults? Any mistakes? Have you all understood? Saqib, did you change that but of yours? You put a double T but. I think the meaning will change. Am I right or wrong? Let me know if you have any doubts. Is this clear to everyone? Guys, please let me know. This is Theta Parajumbles. All right. Every year you will get at least 2 questions of Theta Parajumbles. At least 2. Remember, there are no negative markings. Okay. Now, if you notice this, that what is the story about? Okay. What is the story about, guys? The story is about the Indian. Okay. Now you've corrected yourself. The Indian government introduced a 22.5 billion USD COVID relief package for the poor. ठीक है? ये हो गया तुम्हारा intro. ठीक है? अब गरीबों के लिए पैकेज निकाला. However, it matlab, it refers to, guys, what? It is the pronoun. Refers to whom? Who will tell me? It refers to whom? Students? It refers to whom here? It conveniently excluded certain segments. It refers to the relief package. Got it? Did you see the connection between 3 and 2? It ignored, though it was for the poor, but what did it ignore? It excluded certain segments of poor people. And उसके बाद क्या हुआ? उसके बाद क्या हुआ? इसलिए, and what did the Indian PM say? He said that 6.66 USD would be deposited to the bank accounts of 200 million people. ये भी जुमला है. झूठ बोलते हैं. Every month बोले. लेकिन that कौन सा है? Tell me, that is referring to whom? Who will tell me? That refers to what? That didn't include those working. Those, that didn't include. That refers to what? That refers to this 6.66 USD, and it does not include, the 500 rupees जो बोला है ना, 500 रुपया, it did not include. कितने जबरदस्त connections है. as many of these people lack government approved documentation. Are you aware that Mr. Kejriwal wants rations to be supplied to the homes of Delhi citizens? Are you aware? But are you aware that that proposal has been shot down? Home delivery of rations. Okay, so yahi problem hai. You know why it has been shot down? I mean, besides the politics, the main reason is that no, like liquor. But why has it been shot down? Let me see. It has been shot down because, you know, not many people or a majority of citizens in Delhi don't have. Jaldi batao. Don't have what? Documentation. So basically, the BJP Central believes that ये जो है, it will go to the wrong people, है ना? क्योंकि जो needy है उनको नहीं मिलेगा. Documentation नहीं है, आधार कार्ड वगैरह है. I hope it is clear. 3241. हाँ जी. Shall I move on? Tell me, is this clear to everybody? Guys, let me know. Let me know so that I can move on. Tell me, yes, sir or no, sir. Is this clear? Chalo done. ये हो गया. Did I ask you to do? No, not necessarily. However, cannot be the conclusion here. अभी तो बताया था ना. However, cannot be the conclusion. Someone is asking, however, it conveniently excludes. है ना? Did you get it? वो नहीं है. It is referring to the poor. So 3 के बाद 2 आएगा. Got it? Because purpose is to tell you that even that the $500 जो है, rupees जो है, वो भी it ignores. क्योंकि documentation नहीं है. The reason why they have written this passage is a lot of people don't have documentation. So the needy will not be able to, you know, get the benefit out of the schemes. Yes, please. Correct. Check this. Have you got it? Varun, have you got this answer correct? Saqib and Varun and Gaurav and Aviral, have you got this answer correct? Let me know. Very good. What about the others? Saqib and Aviral, did you get it correct? Kanika has also got it correct. What about Saqib? Aviral has also got it correct. Saqib, did you get it? Very good. Guys, ये एग्जाम में 2-3 क्वेश्चंस आते हैं टीटा के, पैरा जंबल्स के. ओके, ऐसे टाइप के आते हैं, इसी लेवल के आएंगे. ठीक है, तो थोड़ा और प्रैक्टिस कर लेना, हो जाएगा. कितना बोला था करने को आपको स्टूडेंट्स? कितने क्वेश्चंस बोले थे करने को? How many questions? 3 ही करने को बोले थे. You will do the following questions. Please make a note. Guys, please solve question number 6. Students, kindly solve the following questions. I'm writing it on the board. Question number 6 you will solve. No. You will solve only 6. I'm going to tell you what questions you have to solve. Please solve 7, 6 and 7, 9, 10, 6, 7, 9 and 10. That's it you will solve. Only 4 questions you will solve. I'm going to write it down also on the screen. What questions you have to solve. क्या बोला था? 6, 7, 9 and 10. Please solve. ठीक है? Only 4 questions. 6, 7, 9 and 10. You guys had a class before this, or is this the only class that you have for the day? Students, do I take your DR and CR and RCs? Do I take them? सिर्फ RC लेता हूँ. DR, LR, CR वगैरह नहीं लेता हूँ. You finish, you will let me know, okay? Please let me know once you finish. Shall we solve it, guys? Please let me know. Let us look at the 6, 7, 9, and 10. Okay. look at the questions 6, 7, 9 and 10. This is the question 25341. Now understand how it is done, how it has been done. 25341. Which one introduces the topic? Which one introduces the topic? That in the beginning, look at the timeline. This is what is very, very important. So here, what is important is you will look for the timeline. What is the timeline? In the beginning of the 18th century. So remember, these are clues. Okay, when you're solving parajumbles, titas, these are clues. One is look for timelines. So this is a present timeline or a past timeline, students? 18th century, in the beginning, is this a present timeline or past timeline? Past one. So you can look for timelines. Now, what was it? The topic has been introduced. Book selling was done at auction, which would often also involve full lunch. Okay? ये उस ज़माने की बात है. And look at the tense. Booksellers would publish and distribute books. अच्छा, would publish क्या है? Will publish है कि would publish है? Would publish क्या tense है? Guys, what tense is would publish? Past tense. Got it? So after 2 will come 5. Booksellers would publish and distribute books, negotiating the purchase. ये सब blah blah blah, printing editing सब करते थे. Hamstrung मतलब क्या होता है? Hamstrung क्या है? Is that a positive word or a negative word? Who knows the meaning of hamstrung?
Injured.
हाँ? नहीं, injured नहीं, वो तो hamstring होता है. वो तो hamstring injury होता है. Hamstrung बोला.
So hamstrung, doesn't it mean like a person who is injured in some way or like down or?
Absolutely. It means you have been hindered. There has been a slight obstruction. There has been some kind of a temporary blocking, right? You're constrained. You know the word constrained? That is what. The other cricketers suffer is called hamstring injury. That's a different thing, hamstring. This is hamstrung too by the widespread practice of accepting payment in credit. Booksellers would discourage customers from lingering or browsing in their precious retail space. And you see, क्योंकि उनको क्या था कि क्रेडिट होती थी, कस्टमर्स बैठे रहते थे और बुक स्टोर में बैठकर एंजॉय करते थे, टाइम पास करते थे, ठीक है, लेने का कोई मंशा था नहीं, यू गेट इट, जो आजकल भी कई लोग करते हैं बुक शॉप्स में जाके, जाते आधा एक घंटे घूमते, एक किताब थोड़ी थोड़ी देखते हैं, दैट इज पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ द जॉयज ऑफ रीडिंग, है कि नहीं? 253. लेकिन उसके एंड बुक प्राइसेस वर केप्ट आर्टिफिशियली हाई. बताओ, आर्टिफिशियली हाई. गॉट इट? क्यों? क्योंकि बुक सेलर्स would purchase large quantities of titles which were not selling well. Got it? And then destroy up to 3/4 of the stock in order to maintain a high market price. Did you realize? Did you see this? The connection. Did you see the connection? कि ये बुक सेलर्स करते क्या थे कि किसी किताब के टाइटल को बहुत ज्यादा खरीदते थे. कौन से किताब जो बिकते ज्यादा थे कि कम बिकते थे? जल्दी बताइए. कौन से किताब के टाइटल को बल्क में खरीदते थे बुक सेलर्स? जो कम बिकते थे. जानते हो क्यों कम बिकते थे? तो उनकी मार्केट वैल्यू थी नहीं, है ना? तो आर्टिफिशियली इसको कहते हैं जैकिंग अप द प्राइसेस. सप्लाई एंड डिमांड. Are you getting the economics of it? सप्लाई एंड डिमांड. सप्लाई को क्या करते थे? जल्दी बताओ. सप्लाई को क्या करते थे? सप्लाई को ज्यादा करते थे कि कम करते थे? लो सप्लाई would reduce करते थे, would induce higher demand to maintain high market price. Are you getting it? जैसे आप जाओगे ना, बोलेंगे ये किताब चाहिए, जानते हो क्या बोलते थे? अभी मार्केट में नहीं है, अगले हफ्ते आओ, अगले हफ्ते आओ, जबकि उसके पास है, लेकिन उसको मालूम है मार्केट में नहीं बिकती है, लेकिन उसके पास है, लेकिन आपको देंगे नहीं। क्यों नहीं देंगे? क्योंकि वो डेस्परेशन लेवल्स पे खेलते हैं आपके। आप 2-3 जगह और जाओगे, कहीं नहीं मिली तो वापस इसके पास आओगे अगले हफ्ते, है ना? तो उस पर फिर आप बोलेंगे सॉरी, तब वो क्या बोलेंगे? बोलेंगे हाँ पिछले हफ्ते 100 में बिक रही थी, अब 150। आप बोलेंगे क्यों? क्या करूं, इसकी तो बढ़ गई। हाँ, डिमांड बहुत है, हमारे पास सप्लाई बहुत कम आ रही है, आपको लेना है तो ऐसा बोलते डायरेक्ट। तो फिर ऐसे ऐसे करके दे डू दिस। सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड द स्टोरी। टेल मी yes or no. Have you understood this? Which is the next question we are supposed to be doing? Anji, number 7. Now look at number 7, guys. Look at number 7. Look at number 7. This is the answer to number 7. If you have any doubts with this, please let me know. The situation is alarming, the prognosis grim. Sentence opening. Grim means the tone is positive or the tone is negative. Who will tell me? Grim means what? Alarming and grim. Negative tone. तो उसके बाद tone changer क्या है? But. Grim मतलब gloomy. But के बाद tone positive होगा कि negative होगा? Students. But के बाद tone positive होगा कि negative होगा? जल्दी बताओ. क्योंकि इसके पहले तो negative है, ये पूरी negative है. तो इसके बाद tone क्या होगी? But के बाद positive होगी. Good news is that there's a clear recognition that the need for should be changed to positive. For action is no longer simply an option, but it's an urgent imperative. If it is an urgent imperative, then what is it? What is the imperative? Inspirational act. What is the urgent? What is that thing that they're looking at? What is the thing that they're looking at? To change from to. The good news, the recognition that the need for action. What is the action? That they have done what? They have adopted the 2030 development agenda. Sustainable development के लिए, ठीक है? So did you see the continuation of 2 to 1? And then these goals, the realization of कौन सा goals है? 2030 agenda, ये goal है, is not the sole responsibility of governments. So if it is not the sole responsibility of governments, then what? It requires. It refers to what? Jaldi batao. It is the pronoun for what? Who will tell me? It is the pronoun for what? Anji? It is the pronoun for what? Guys? The 2030 agendas. Very good. Which means these goals. है ना? The agenda. It requires the commitment of every part of society, the private sector, the academia, civil society groups, and of course every single individual. देख रहे हो? Conclusion देखा? Did you get the conclusion, guys? कैसे करते हैं? I hope this is clear. Understood? Tell me. Did I ask you to do number? What number did I ask you to do next? क्या बोला था इसके बाद? 9 and 10 देखता हूँ. 9 कहाँ गई? ये है 9. इसके आंसर देखिए. गाइस इसके आंसर देखो. हाँ जी, इसके आंसर देख के मुझे बताओ मिला कि नहीं आपको? Have you got the answer? Any doubts? Question number 9. सोच के बताना. Any words that you don't know? Any doubts? Framing में कोई issue हो गया? Ask me. जल्दी बताओ. Any doubts? Students?
Hello. Sir?
Yes, please.
43215. Sir, can you pinpoint specifically what is wrong with this sequence, sir?
Which one? 4 3.
215.
Very good. You have got 4 3 correct. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Saqib also has made the same thing. So let's do this. 4 and 3 are correct. Can you read 4? Please read 4.
The history of humanity is punctuated with purges.
What
Large
is the
numbers
meaning?
of people.
No, hold on. What is the meaning of this statement? Tell me.
Over the period of time, a lot of people have died in
Exactly. Guys, ये humanity के timeline में in the evolution of man, which means the entire human race has been punctuated with what? Purges. What is purging? The removal of people. And which one validates that? Purging? Which one validates that?
The third sentence validates that, sir.
Can you read that third sentence, please?
Large numbers of people have died in short periods of time as a result of wars, disease, and natural disasters.
इसको कहते हैं purging, है ना? Natural purging होती है. हाँ? हिटलर ने natural purging किया था कि हिटलर ने forced purging किया था?
So forced purging.
Natural purging होती है disease and natural disasters. War is forced. ठीक है, ये तो हो गया. अब 3 हो गया. उसके बाद क्या आता है? जल्दी बताइए. आपने 2 डाल दिया. आपने 2 डाला. आपने 2 डाला. आपने this is never easy. ये demonstrative pronoun this क्या है? किसके लिए आपने 2 डाला है? हाँ जी, why did you? ये this जो है 3 से कोई connection है?
So the purging period is. I assume that it is talking about the purging period is never easy, but it is harder for some kind of disaster than for others. We then segue into a particular disaster from wider to narrow, and the conclusion turns out to once these are passed.
Okay, I understood why you put that. But did you realize that this one, once these have passed, which means the purging has passed, once the people have died, then who is it left? It falls to the survivors. Got it? I hope you understood, na? Saqib also gave the different cause effect. Did you realize?
Yes,
survivors के लिए easy नहीं है to count the dead. Did you get the point?
Yes, sir. Got it.
And then it is harder. Can you read 5? Please read 5 because you have done 3 as a result of wars. Read 5.
Once these have passed, it falls to the survivors to count the dead.
So these refer to what? The purging. All the purging. Yeah. All the people who have died. It falls to the survivors to count the dead. उसके बाद क्या आएगा?
This is never easy, but it is harder for some kinds of disaster than others.
So did you understand this process of counting of the dead is not easy, but it is harder when it comes to some kinds of disasters. Harder. You saw the comparative harder. And what is the superlative of harder?
Hardest.
Please read that.
It may be hardest of all for a pandemic, as Ole Benedicto acknowledged in his 2005 article, The Black Death, the greatest catastrophe ever.
Very good. So harder for certain pandemics, but hardest for a pandemic such as the greatest valid. So did you realize that that is a superlative, and that is the purpose, the reason why the paragraph was written? Superlative. I hope you understood. No, kahan par galti hui hai? Am I right or wrong? Tell me. I hope you have understood. Very good. No, I was asking this person who had a doubt, who was speaking to me. Is it clear to you? The one who was speaking to me? Have you understood kahan par galti hui? Who's that person? Hello? Hello? Who was that person who had a doubt?
Yes,
I hope
sir.
who was
Yes, sir. It is clear. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
क्या गलती हो गई थी गौरव? आप समझे क्या गलती हुई थी? क्या हुआ था?
Yes, sir. Basically, I thought this is never easy, but it is hard. We are referring to the purging periods that humanity has gone through. So I thought this is never easy for that, and I thought fifth was a fitting line to end the paragraph. I assumed
Right.
that fifth was a fitting line.
Chalo. Good, no? So be careful about it. This is how you do it. What is the next number? Did I tell you some other number to do, guys? Did I tell you to do this? Or no? क्या क्या बोला था जल्दी बताओ. 9 के बाद 10 भी बोला था. हाँ जी. 10 के आंसर्स देखना. 10 के आंसर देखो. Go through it. If you have found any mistake, try and on your own try to correct it. You know, the best learning is to realize where you have got wrong. Okay? And if you still don't get it, then kindly ask me. पहले 1 मिनट ढूंढ लो. अगर आपकी कहीं गलती हुई है तो खुद ढूंढ के देखो. खुद ढूंढ के देखो कहां गलती हुई है. If you're able to understand it, that's the best learning. If not, kindly ask me. How many of you were able to get this correct? How many of you were able to get this correct? 10th one. Saqib. Very good, Saqib. I think you're the one with the polished English, Saqib. Are you the one with the very polished English? The very stylish English? Am I right or wrong, Saqib? Did you speak to me before? Could you speak up? Let me see. Could you speak up, Saqib, and let me know? Did you get this right or did you get it wrong? Just speak up. I think you're the one with the very stylized English. Could you speak up? Let me see. Very smart. Very smart. He doesn't want to speak. He says the environment is very nosy or noisy. What are you saying? Noisy. Okay. Chalo. Chalo. Don't worry. I'm going to make you speak up some other day. Okay? And don't give me that excuse. Yes, guys. Tell me. Who's got good speaking skills? Right? Who speaks very stylishly? Anybody in the class? I think Varun speaks very stylishly. Am I right, Varun? Do you speak very stylishly, Varun? Yes, guys. Any doubts? Any doubts? Chalo. What's the next question I do? Did I tell you to do anything more? Students, any doubts in question number 10? Please ask me. Any doubts? Students, any doubts? Siddharth, Varun, Vishalnath Pandey, Swapnil, Shreya, Shivangi, Yashika. Any doubts? Question number 10.
Sir,
I hope you got it. Yes, please. Tell me.
sir, I have doubt कि मेरे को ये समझ नहीं आया कि सर 3 और 1 एक दूसरे से रिलेटेड कैसे हैं सर?
Okay. Can you read it? 3 and 1. बताओ. Read करो मुझे. Read up. 3 read करो.
Political memoirs are usually greeted with specticums or boredoms.
Skepticum है क्या? Skepticum होता है. Guys, is it skepticum?
Sir, skepticism.
Okay. Memoir क्या होती है? जल्दी बताओ. Memoir क्या होती है? What is memoir, guys? जल्दी बताओ. And skepticism. What is skepticism and memoir? Who will tell me the meanings of these two? Varun, what is the meaning of memoir?
So memoir, I guess, is a account of history or something. For example, like people, when an historical event is going on, people write memos about the description of that event. It's like a manuscript, sir.
Not necessarily a political memoir, it could be a personal memoir. Memoir is a remembrance of something past, a stage in life or an event, right? जैसे ये हमारे मनमोहन सिंह ने एक लिखा था, मनमोहन सिंह के बारे में एक था, द एक्सीडेंटल प्राइम मिनिस्टर, याद है? आर यू गेटिंग इट? इट्स अ पॉलिटिकल, डू यू रियलाइज दैट?
यस सर।
हाँ, आपको पता है ना? तो ऐसे से मेमोइर्स हैं। महात्मा गांधी ने भी लिखा था माय एक्सपेरिमेंट्स विद ट्रुथ, वो आपके, ये महात्मा गांधी ने लिखा था ना? हाँ।
सर मेमोर्स मतलब जो पास्ट से रिलेटेड हो।
हाँ, मेमोरी से होती है आपकी मेमोरी। जैसे कोई कहते हैं ना, जैसे कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि ये उस दरमियान आप भी थे, तो आपके क्या उस दरमियान उस सदी में आपके क्या रिमेम्बरेंसेस थे, तो वो एक मेमोरी है, किताबों में उतारते हैं, ठीक है? नाउ इट इज यूजुअली ग्रीटेड विद स्केप्टिज्म, यानी डाउटफुलनेस, या फिर बोर्डम और बोर्डम। आर दीज पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव वर्ड्स? जल्दी बताओ। पहला जो है इंट्रोडक्टरी स्टेटमेंट नेगेटिव टोन है कि पॉजिटिव टोन है? हेलो 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 हेलो,
यस सर,
जल्दी बताओ।
इट्स अ नेगेटिव टोन सर।
अच्छा, तो उसके बाद टू मेनी ऑफ देम आर ब्लैंड एंड इवेसिव। ब्लैंड एंड इवेसिव क्या होता है गाइस? इवेड करता है, which means they try to sideskip, try to escape. Okay, and bland क्या होता है? Bland क्या है? Boring है ना? Boring, हाँ, very very boring, lifeless, हाँ। तो them किसके लिए बोल रहे हैं guys? Them is a pronoun for whom? Who will tell me? Them is a demonstrative pronoun for whom? जल्दी बताओ। Them refer to who?
हाँ सर, अब रिलेटेड हो गया सर। सर एक्चुअली मेरे को ब्लेंड का मीनिंग पता ही नहीं था सर।
ओके, अब समझ। ब्लैंड का तो आपकी क्या लर्निंग है? जल्दी बताइए, क्या लर्निंग है आपको? क्या ठीक करनी है? मुझे जल्दी बताओ, क्या ठीक करनी है? हाँ जी
सर वोकैब सर।
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, आपको ही नहीं, सबको करनी है। एम आई राइट? रॉन्ग? इट इज सिर्फ आपकी गलती नहीं है, बट गलती नहीं मतलब एक तरह की ये एक है, स्किल सेट अक्वायर करना है। डिड vocab and grammar, दो चीज चाहिए। Am I right or wrong, Varun? Tell me. Am I right or wrong that one needs to be very good with क्या? Vocab and yes, Varun, can you speak up and let me know if these two things are very very essential? Tell me yes or no. देख रहे हो guys, डायरेक्टली vocab पूछते नहीं है ना कैट में, ग्रामर भी नहीं पूछते, लेकिन जिसकी वोकैब अच्छी होती है वही क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर पाएंगे जल्दी और सही। चलिए, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छी बात है। आई एम सो ग्लैड दैट यू गाइज आर सो वेरी वेरी रिसेप्टिव एंड काफी आप लोग ड्रिवन हो, काफी अच्छी बात है। यू आर वेरी हम्बल इनफ टू अंडरस्टैंड कि भाई क्या क्या स्किल सेट्स हमारी कमी है, क्या क्या स्किल सेट्स पे मुझे वर्क करना है, इंप्रूव करनी है। अभी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या मैं बोला था गाइस, और क्या क्वेश्चन बोला था हमने, बताइए। डिड आई टेल यू एनीथिंग मोर टू डू?
सर आपने यही फोर्स किया था, यही फोर्स क्वेश्चंस, these
हमने
fours।
इतना ही बोला था, तो हमने इतना ही बोला था, तो आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू सम मोर क्वेश्चंस। प्लीज मेक अ नोट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस दैट आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू गाइस, पे अटेंशन। 11 you will do, all of you, 11 you will do. This is called para completion, got it? Please do number 11. Please do number 12, number 14, 15, 13. Yes. What are the numbers I told? Who will tell me what are the numbers I told? 11. Acha, 11 to 15. Pura. Very good. That is a very simple calculation. Solve it. Take your time. Don't be in a hurry, okay?